Hello, my name is Sakwade. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of signing in with your Gmail account and log out of your Gmail account. So to start, click on any browser of your choice. I'll choose Google Chrome. Then in the address bar, type gmail.com and press enter. After that, log in with your email and password to have access to your Gmail web portal. There is my Gmail web portal. Here I can read my email I have received. To sign out, I click on profile, then I click on sign out. Sign out from my Gmail accounts. Continue. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon. For more information, under the description, click on link to the post. Find more information on how you can log in, create user accounts, sign out with your Gmail accounts. Thank you.